Hello, Andrew here with Bearded Paradise Beard Care Products. Do you have a beard? Is it made of hair? Good. You should use Bearded Paradise on your beard. That's the wrong sponsorship. What's going on, guys? It's Andrew with AvalonKing. Today we're covering 5 myths about ceramic coating, and we're going to set the record straight. But before we get started, how about you take a scroll on down to Subscriber Town? Maybe ding ding ring that bell to get notified of when we start uploading new videos. Obviously, because this is a DIY product, I have to film in my garage with a little DIY toolbox full of a couple of tools I got from Walmart. And also because we have a very limited production budget. These are 5 myths about ceramic coating. The first myth we're covering is bulletproof paint. I am sure that we all know ceramic coating will not make your car bulletproof. But there are so many ceramic coating companies out there that claim that their coating has a 9H hardness. What does that mean? People often mistake this 9H rating to be on the Mohs scale, which is a mineral hardness scale. To put it into perspective, a 10 on the Mohs hardness scale is as hard as a diamond. In reality, this rating is on the pencil hardness scale. This means that the pencil, when pressed down on the surface, does not leave any marks or damage. You can see it demonstrated here in this pencil hardness test. Wow. This is pretty exciting. In reality, ceramic coating is to paint protection as water resistance is to a watch. What do I mean by that? Well, you have waterproof watches that you can dive to hundreds of meters with, and then you have water-resistant watches which you can splash while you're washing your hands. The same principle applies to ceramic coatings. They make your car scratch and swirl resistant, not scratch and swirl proof. Some companies even claim this will protect your car from rock chips or, rock ships. You can prevent scratches and swirls. Just make sure that you still follow the proper wash procedure. Don't date any crazy girlfriends because if you break up with them, they can still key your car. Just take care of the product and it'll take care of you. Myth number 2. Self-cleaning paint. So what, you think your car is gonna shake itself off like a wet dog and it's gonna be perfectly clean when you come out to the driveway in the morning? Or maybe you just press the ceramic coating button on your key fob and all of the dirt just deletes itself? Having a ceramic coated car is an absolute advantage when it comes to keeping it clean. However, you'll still need to maintain it, you'll still need to wash it. The plus side is that washing it is a breeze. All you have to do pretty much is hose it off. The water takes the particulates and the dirts up off of the surface, and because it's a hydrophobic nanocoating, buzzword, the water carries the dirt off of the paint. Now again, when you're washing your car, use the 2-bucket method. Don't get lazy if you're doing a full contact wash, but it definitely takes much less effort. I really should put more effort in at the gym. Now, something else I want to mention is using waxes or sealants or other products on top of the ceramic coating. Don't. Put the ceramic coating on and let it do its job. If you cover it up with waxes or sealants or detail sprays, you're not allowing the coating to do its thing. You're covering it up with another layer, and that prevents the hydrophobic properties to shine. Don't put wax on your ceramic coating. Myth number 3. Lifetime coatings. There are plenty of companies that offer lifetime warranties with their coatings and claim that the coating itself will last forever, and it's just not true. It's a sacrificial layer. It's meant to take a beating so that your clear coat doesn't have to. Now, typically, these companies that offer lifetime warranties will, first of all, charge you thousands of dollars to do it. Second of all, require that you have a full paint correction before you even get the ceramic coating installed on the car. And third, they'll make you agree to these crazy warranty terms to maintain the paint, maintain the coating, bring it in for a decontamination wash and then an inspection, which costs you money down the line. And keeping up with these warranty terms is so rigorous, expensive, and specific, it's just not worth it. Especially because, again, this is a semi-permanent product. Myth number 4, fireproof paint. No.
Myth number 5, multiple layers.
So one of the big reasons it's so important to have a clean car before applying the ceramic coating is because this stuff bonds directly to the clear coat.
If you zoom in on your car's clear coat, you can see it's porous like skin. Ceramic coating fills these pores and bonds directly to it.
When you're talking about applying layers, there are companies out there that claim that they'll do 9 layers or 12 layers, and they use all these fancy spray guns and like 5 people to wipe down the hood. Look, ceramic coating bonds to the clear coat. It does not bond to itself. It is self-leveling. The most you'll get out of multiple layers of ceramic coating is even coverage. You're not going to get better gloss. You're not going to get a more hydrophobic paint job from multiple layers of ceramic coating because, again, it's a micron thick. It bonds to the clear coat, not to itself.
That being said, doing a second pass isn't a bad idea to ensure perfect coverage.
There it is, guys. 5 myths about ceramic coating busted right here on YouTube. Now, if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, or other myths you want us to cover, please let us know in the comment section below. We also have more information on our website, AvalonKing.com. And as always, thanks guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.